All right, guys, we're sitting in a 2015 Acura ILX. We're gonna go over how to reset this oil maintenance light. So push start button, you're gonna wanna get it to the on position. So 2 clicks of the button, 1, 2. You'll know you're in when the gauges turn on, all the lights flash, and as you can see, we're past due on our service. So you're gonna be using these 3 buttons to scroll through the menu. So this one is gonna scroll. You're just gonna press it until you get all the way down to vehicle settings. You're probably way up here. So just keep pressing, pressing, pressing. Right here, you're gonna hit select. And then now you're here. You're gonna use the down button to scroll. You're gonna want to get to maintenance info. So keep on going down, down, down. Here we are. You're gonna press that select button again. Select, oil life reset. So you're gonna scroll up this time. You're gonna hit up to reset, select it, and you can see it was reset. Hope this helped. Have a good one.